In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and share a project link in Asana. If you're working collaboratively on projects, being able to share them easily with your team or stakeholders is crucial. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you know exactly how to do it. First, go ahead and open the project for which you want to copy the link. Make sure you're in the project view where you can see all the tasks and details laid out. This is the hub for all your project-related activities, and you'll find everything you need right from here. Once you have the project open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Share. This button is your gateway to letting others know about your project. With a simple click, a sharing window will pop up. Inside this sharing window, you'll see several options that allow you to customize how and with whom your project is shared. You can add new members here, making sure your team has access to the project details they need. Plus, you can modify member permission types, setting different levels of access based on roles or requirements. This is particularly useful if you have team members who only need to view or comment instead of making direct changes. Scrolling down to the bottom of this sharing window, you'll find the essential Copy Project Link button. By clicking on it, Asana will automatically copy the link to your clipboard. Now, the project link is ready for sharing. With the link now in hand, you're free to distribute it as needed. Whether through an email, a chat application, or integrating it into other documentation, it's never been easier to get the word out. Remember, if someone doesn't have an Asana account, they'll need to create one to access the link. Also, take note that when they do access the link, newcomers will likely start in viewer mode by default. This mode limits their capabilities, allowing them only to view the project details without making any edits. If additional privileges are needed, you'll have to revisit the Share tab to modify their permissions. Alternatively, you could add them to the workspace for broader access, enabling them to contribute directly to the project. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can confidently copy and share project links in Asana, ensuring your team or clients can access the necessary details effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.